Imagine making $4,987 every single month on autopilot just by leveraging the power of AI. This isn't some gimmick. It's a proven AI money loop that runs itself. Stay with me until the end, because the last AI tool I'll show you is a total game changer for your income. Step number 1. Choose the right AI niche. The first step to building passive income with AI is picking the right niche. AI can automate content creation, e-commerce, trading, and even social media growth. The key: choose an AI-driven niche that generates consistent income. Step number 2. Set up your AI automation system. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to automate everything. AI tools can handle content creation, marketing, and even customer service so you can literally make money while you sleep. Best AI automation tools: content creation, Jasper AI, ChatGPT, Canva AI. Video automation, Synthesia, Pictory, Play.ht. E-commerce, Shopify AI, Printify. Social media growth, ManyHat AI, Flick AI. Step number 3. Monetize your AI system for $4,987 per month. Now, let's talk about how to actually make money. Here are 3 powerful AI income streams that can generate over $4,987 a month. AI YouTube automation, $2,500 a month. Gives you AI-generated scripts and voiceovers for faceless videos. Gives monetize with YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsorships. AI digital marketing agency, $3,000 per month. Gives offer AI-generated ads, SEO, and chatbot services. Gives charge $500 to $1,000 per client for AI-powered campaigns. AI print on demand, $1,500 a month. Gives sell AI design t-shirts and artwork using Printify and Shopify. Gives no inventory, no upfront costs, just pure AI automation. Pro tip: the secret to long-term AI income: scaling multiple AI income streams. Step number 4. The AI money loop, passive income on repeat. This is where the real magic happens. The AI money loop keeps generating income month after month by automating these 3 key areas. AI creates the product videos, blogs, designs, courses. AI automates sales and marketing, AI-driven email funnels, chatbot sales, ads. AI handles customer support, AI chatbots, auto-replies, fax. Final result: a fully automated AI system that prints money on repeat. Pro tip: once your AI money loop is running, it keeps growing exponentially. So, which part of the AI money loop excites you the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget hit subscribe for more AI wealth building strategies. Video description: SEO optimized and professional. Uncover the AI money loop. Earn $4,987 every month on autopilot. AI isn't just a trend, it's a goldmine for making passive income in 2025. In this video, I'll reveal the AI money loop that lets you earn $4,987 plus every single month completely on autopilot. No coding, no experience, just AI automation doing the work for you. What you'll learn: how to pick a profitable AI-powered niche. The best AI tools to automate your business. 3 AI income streams that generate over $4,987 a month. How to build an AI money loop that runs 24/7. AI is the future, and the AI money loop is your golden ticket to financial freedom. Which step do you think is the most powerful? Comment below. And if you want more AI money-making secrets, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.